doing this radio workshop. I just now finished my recordings and I have started my drawings. You must please come to a radio workshop because it's a wonderful thing and we can learn everything about radios and we can record everything on our own and edit our own voices and we can save it in MP3 format.